Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to hide all unwanted rows and columns in Excel, while still keeping your chart visible. First, click on the first empty column and press Ctrl Shift and right arrow. This will select all columns we don't want to see. All we need to do is right-click and select Hide. Now do the same with rows. Press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. Then right-click and select Hide. This will hide all of your selected rows and columns. And that's it. Your data is now hidden, but your chart remains visible and fully functional. Remember, if you ever want to unhide the data, click the triangle in the very top left corner. With the entire sheet selected, right-click on any row number and select Unhide to reveal all hidden rows and columns.